when applying your shoulder garment for the first time, you'll notice that you have 2 straps and a garment in the bag. Simply open your straps. You'll note there's a thin black material covering the Velcro. Simply remove and discard. Next, we recommend starting with the smaller strap. Opening up the garment, you'll see 2 slits. Pass through. This will then wrap around your arm and bicep. This strap, for many therapists, is optional, and your therapist or surgeon may only want the next strap, which is the crossbody. What you then want to do is take your larger strap, open it up, and you'll note a V pattern. What we want to do is have the point of the V, or the bottom, underneath. So the front of the garment, we have the tubing, and the back of the garment sits a little bit higher. We recommend turning your garment over and fastening one side, so we have the point to the top at the back. Next, taking the garment, sliding your arm through, pulling up and onto your shoulder, holding securely, and folding the larger strap around and securing. You can now pull up the garment to reposition as required. For first-time setup, we recommend having a nurse or family member assist you.